Alright, I've chosen to work through number 42 with you. It is the hardest one in the moles to grams or grams to moles section. We're going to use the same type of process for all of these. It's just that some of them are longer picket fences than others. So in this problem, I guess I should read it first. It says barium chloride reacts with sodium sulfate in a double replacement reaction. That will become very important here in a second. How many grams of barium chloride, so that's what I'm going to end in, how many grams of BaCl2 are required to react with 3.5 moles of sodium sulfate? Alright, so this is my unknown, and this is my given. Alright, remember, and I've written these a ton of times, first balance, no, I wrote that wrong, write and balance reaction. Number 2, find desired unit in answer. 3, start with given. 4, solve. Alright, so number 1 is really the most difficult part of this entire problem. We need to write out this reaction. Alright, so we know barium chloride, BaCl, barium's a +2, chlorine's a -1. I switch those charges, so BaCl2 plus sodium sulfate is Na, sulfate is SO4, Na is a +1, sulfate's a -2, so Na2SO4. We know this is a double replacement because it tells me right here. Alright, so I go to in double replacement, the front things just switch place. So I'm going to have BaSO4 carry the same charges, +2, -2, so that is just BaSO4 plus, now I have Na and Cl +1, -1, so they're balanced also. So the charges are balanced. Now let's balance the actual substances in the chemical reaction. So I look over here, the SO4s are they are together, they're a polyatomic ion, so I ignore the 4. So my highest subscript is this 2 and that 2. So since I have 2 chlorines here, let's fix that. We'll say there's 2 here. That 2 makes 2 NAs, and I have 2 NAs, so that's great. Everything else is balanced. So 1, 1, 1, 2. Alright, so we've done step number 1. Step number 2, find what I want in my answer. So write my fence. I want to solve for grams BaCl2. I'm going to start with my given. That's 3.5 moles. I'm going to erase that real quick. 3.5 moles of Na2SO4. Alright, now let's look at our map. Let me go back one more time. We're going moles to grams. So moles all the way over to grams. To do that, I have 2 steps. The ratio of coefficients and the gram formula mass. Let's go back. The ratio of coefficients and the gram formula mass. The ratio of coefficients is where I go from what I'm given, that's moles, Na2SO4, to what I want. So that has to be moles, BaCl2. Now ratio of coefficients is always mole over mole. Always. So just remember that. I'm going to run out of time. I'll finish this in the next video clip. But I just need to look up. In BaCl2 I had a 1, and in Na2SO4 I also have a 1. Alright, I'll continue on in the next one.